Hi friends, this video is for introducing LCM and HCF. So let's go to the video. Least common multiple, that is LCM, and highest common factor, that is HCF. Least common multiple, that is LCM, means so many multiples will be there for a number. Out of them, we must consider the smallest number. Okay. If we consider two numbers, 10 and 12, both the numbers will be having several multiples. Out of them, we must consider common multiples. From them, we must take the smallest value. Then we will be getting the least common multiple, that is LCM. Okay, let us consider this question itself. The question is 10 and 12. We know that multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and so on. Again, multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84 and so on. We got the multiples of 10 and 12. Then we must take the common multiples from them. Okay, common multiples. Then let us have a look on the multiples of both the numbers. Is any number common? Yes, 60 is common. So, let us take 60. Any other number? Yes, there will be some more numbers which are common to both 10 and 12. But we have to consider the least number or the smallest number. Okay. So, here the LCM of both 10 and 12 is 60. Once again, we have to consider the multiples of both the numbers. Then we must check whether there is any common multiple. If it is possible, we must check whether they are having so many multiples common. There will be some more multiples which are common. Out of them, we have to consider the smallest value. That will be the LCM of the given numbers. Okay? Shall we have one more question? Second question. 4 and 6. Let us consider the multiples of both the numbers. First, multiples of 4. Yes, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, etc. Then, multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, etc. Okay. So, next step, yes, common multiples. Common multiples of 6 and 4. 4 and 6. Yes, which are the common multiples of both 4 and 6? Yes, let us have a look on every number. Here 4 is not there, 8 is not there, but 12 is there. So we can take 12. Next, 16 is not possible, 20 not possible, 24. 28 not possible, 32 not possible, 36. From these numbers, we got some common multiples. So, which are the common multiples of 4 and 6? 12, 24, 36. Some more multiples will be there, but from this set, we got 3 numbers. Then, what is LCM? LCM is the smallest number among these common multiples. What is the smallest number here? Yes, 12. So here the LCM is 12. Okay. Next topic, highest common factor, that is HCF. In the case of LCM, the smallest number is that number itself, right? Yes, multiples of 4, then it starts with 4. Multiples of 8, it starts with 8. So, when we consider multiples, the smallest number will be that number itself. Here, highest common factor. Here we have to consider factors. So, what are factors? If we consider the number 8, we know that 8 can be written as 1 multiplied by 8. Then 8 can be written as 2 multiplied by 4. 1 8s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. 2 4s are 8 and 4 2s are 8. So from this we can write factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay, so factors of 8, 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then here 8 is the largest number, right? So when we consider the factors of a number, the highest number will be that number itself. Okay, so here 8 is the highest one. Factors means if we divide the given number by another number, then we get the factor. Okay. Then factors of 8. Similarly, when we consider 2 or more numbers having the highest common factor. Okay, if we consider 2 or more numbers, there will be factors, there will be common factors. Out of them, we must consider the highest one. That will be the HCF. Let us learn it by an example. The first one, 20 and 24. 20 and 24. So factors should be written. Factors of 20. Factors of 20. 1 is a factor of every number, right? Yes, so 1 can be written. Then 20. 20 is an even number. So 2 is a factor. Then 3 is not possible because sum of the digits is not a multiple of 3. Here 20 is not a multiple of 3. So we cannot write 3. Then what about 4? Yes, 4 5s are 20, right? So 4 can be written. Next, 5 is also possible. Then, listen here. We know 5 4s are 20 or 4 5s are 20. Then what will be the next factor? Yes, just move to the previous number. That is 2. Which number should be multiplied by 2 to get 20? Yes, 10. Again, how to consider this 1? So 120 is 20. So which are the factors of 20? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Similarly, factors of 24. 1 is a factor of every number. 24 is an even number. So, 2 is a factor. Then what about 3? The sum of the digits, that is 2 plus 4, is 6. 6 is a multiple of 3. So, 24 is also a multiple of 3. Then what about 4? Yes, it is also possible. Then is 5 a factor of 24? No. Next, 6. Yes, we know that 6 4s are 24. Here we got 4 6 are 24. Then we must check 3. So 3 multiplied by which number gives 24? Yes, 8. Here 2. So 2 12s are 24. Here 1. So 24. The smallest factor is always 1 and the highest factor is always that number. Here also the smallest factor is 1 and the highest factor is the given number. Then the next step is we have to find out common factors. Common factors of 20 and 24. Which are the common factors? Let us find it out. Let us find out the common factors. So 1 is common. Then 2 is common. Then which number? Yes, 4 is common. Any other number is common? No. So let us write 1, 2 and 4. Okay. So we have written the factors of each number. Then we have found out the common factors of both the numbers. Then we have to find out the HCF. HCF is highest common factor. These are the common factors. Out of them, we have to consider the highest one. Which is the highest one? Yes, 4 is the HCF of 20 and 24. Let us consider another question, 16 and 30. So, factors of 16. Factors of 16 should be written. 1 is a factor of every number. 16 is an even number. So, 2 is a factor. 3 is not possible. Then 4 is possible. We know that 4 4s are 16. Then we have to check to the previous number. That is 2. 2 multiplied by which number gives 16? Yes, 8. Then 1 multiplied by which number gives 16? Yes, 16. Then the next one, factors of 30. Which are the factors of 30? 1 is a factor of every number. 2 is a factor because it is an even number. Then 3 is a factor because 3 plus 0 is 3. That 3 is a multiple of 3. Then 30 is also a multiple of 3. Then 4 is not possible, 5 is possible, and 6 is possible. So 5 6 are 30. Then look at this 3. So 3 multiplied by which number gives 30? Yes, 10. 2 multiplied by which number gives 30? 15. And 1 multiplied by which number gives 30? 30. Next step. Yes, common factors. Common factors of 16 and 30. Yes, 1 is common. Then 2 is common. Then is any other number common? No. So, we can write 1 and 2. HCF means highest common factor. That means the highest value among these common factors. Which is the highest one? Yes, 2. So, HCF is 2. Okay. Let us consider one more question. That is 4 and 9. Factors of 4. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Then factors of 9. Yes, 1, 3, 9. Then common factors. Which are the common factors? Yes, 1 is common. No other number is common. So common factors 1. Then which one is the HCF? Yes, 1 is the HCF. Okay. From this we can conclude that 4 and 9 are coprime numbers. Then what are coprime numbers? The numbers which are having only 1 as the common factor. Okay. So 4 and 9 are common factors. So their HCF will be 1. If we are given two prime numbers, that 5 and 7, the HCF will be 1 because 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. Hope all of you understood the basics of LCM and HCF. Thank you.